Today we will create a simple program for converting units of length. First, we create the user interface. For this we need 2 labels, 2 pop-up menus and 2 text fields. We assign meaningful names to the inserted items so that we can identify them better. The pop-up menu is responsible for the selection of the length units by the user. The list of selectable length units can easily be specified via the initial value input field. We make the text fields relatively large so that the input and output numbers are easier to read. The right text field should be read-only. Entries by the user should be made in the left text field. Let's give this a quick test. Great. That's pretty good what we have achieved so far. Now it is time to program the conversion function. We also need to make sure that the user interface responds to the user's actions. So, let's get to it. We consider all available length units as a multiple of the meter. Both the input of the user and the output calculated by the program are considered as multiples of the meter. Thus, each available length unit can be provided with a corresponding conversion factor. For example, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so the conversion factor for the centimeter is 1/100. 1 millimeter is 0.001 meters, so the conversion factor for the millimeter is 0.001. When the user types a number into the text field, it is a simple string. To perform calculations, this string must be converted to a number using the val command. Now we give the formula for calculating the result. The result of this formula is a number of the type double. To be able to output this in a text field, This number must additionally be converted into text with the help of the str command. Great. Now we just have to make sure that the conversion function is called after every user interaction. First of all, the conversion function should be called when the user types something into the input text field. For this we use the text-changed event handler. Second, the conversion function should be called when the user changes the length units in one of the two pop-up menus. For this we use the selection changed event handler of each pop-up menu. Great. Let's test the whole thing now. It works. We have done that well. Thanks for watching and see you at the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.